why have they come out with this strange looking CC? Honestly, I don't know. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Taya, in case you're new here. Hi, you're welcome to my channel. Please make sure you stick around if you like what you see, and also hit the subscribe button. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video. So in today's video, I'm going straight into it. So Chanel has increased their prices. There's so many videos about that. Starting from today, the 15th of January, the prices have gone up. And they've also come out with their spring summer 2021 collection. And so there are quite a few different strange looking bags that I just wanted to talk about. So if that's the kind of thing you want to see, please keep on watching. Anyway, let's start. So first of all, we have this mini flap bag. So it's got a handle that looks really odd. It's so colorful that, I mean, it's not something I would go for. It looks nice the way she styled it. Well, at that price, it's not the kind of thing I would like. Comment below if that's what you like, because it looks a bit too bright and obvious out there to me. You know, yeah. So anyway, that's one of the better ones. Believe me, there are other ones. So we've got these flap bags as well, different shades, you know, and sequins and gold tone metal. This pink one, it's fine, it looks okay, but I don't know what has happened to the normal bags that Chanel produces. You know, this one looks a bit too colorful for me anyway. It's a bit too much. It looks a bit too colorful for me anyway, but this is my view. Many people might like this, so don't just take my word for it. If you like it, why not? But it's quite expensive though, 4,770. Wow. Then we have this camera bag. So this camera bag, the one in the white with the gold metal, white and black, it looks nice. I like this one. Even though there's quite a lot going on, but because it's on a white background, it doesn't really look too bad. But they also put it on the flap bag. So this flap yellow bag, you've got this lambskin and gold metal yellow and multicolor bag. But I think it looks a bit too much with two different colors. You've got red, green. I think it's 2 or 3 actually. Let me see if I can do a close-up. It's got quite a lot going on, and because it's yellow as well, I think it's a bit too much. Yeah. And that price, nearly £4,000. It's quite a lot. Then we've got this perforated calf skin, printed fabric and gold tone metal. So calf skin, so there's leather. Up close, everybody's gonna see what's in your bag, which I don't really like, so it's not something I would spend a lot of. So for me, this collection looks rather odd. Instead of the normal black and gold chain that we're used to, we're having all kinds of different designs of chain, and this one looks like ribbon. I mean, who thought about putting ribbon on a bag, on a Chanel bag? I don't get it. It's kind of strange, you know. No. There's just so much going on. It's as if somebody in Chanel just decided to come out with so much color. Meanwhile, they're known for their classic bags. So for me, this is a lot. There's a lot going on here. I don't know. So I don't think I like any of the bags apart from that camera one that had the black and gold. So let's go to the small leather goods. Maybe we'll see something interesting there. So that's under accessories in case you want to browse yourself. So we've got this small vanity with chain, and this is something that has been well received by a lot of people. So they've been coming out with different types, but this bag is actually really tiny. I went into Chanel and I tried it on. It's really small. It's so tiny. It's a very tiny bag. So yeah, but they've come out with different. Well, this is okay for people who like their colors. You know, I dress fairly safely. It's not even leather, so 1,990. Okay, maybe because it's not leather. And then we've got that strange looking ribbon thing going on this pouch as well. I don't like ribbons on my bag. I mean, I could buy a ribbon easily and just attach it. I don't need to buy the bag with ribbon on it. Or what else would you call this? That's what it is. Where would you wear this to? Please tell me. Where would you wear this to? Where? It's a fancy dress show or what? I don't know. This is, or maybe they're planning to have a children's Chanel branch or something. Comment below, what do you do with these pouches? Do you actually wear them out, or are they just for your dressing table? Because they seem to be quite expensive. So I think people wear them out, but I don't know how I would wear a pouch, to be honest. So phone holder with chain, no, definitely. My phone holder is fine. I don't really need to spend that amount of money on a phone holder. 1,650. Wow. Okay. Wallet on chain. Yeah, this is one of the works. I love pink. It's one of my favorite colors. But with this green and orange, no, green and yellow, and I think this fuchsia pink, I'll give it a pass. I mean, what happened to the normal gold chain that we used to have? Why have they come out with this strange looking CC? Honestly, I don't know. Chanel, please, can you answer some of these questions? Because we are just, well, I am amazed by these bags. I'm quite, yeah, these are normal ones. Yeah, this mini wallet and chain, these ones are nice. And they look normal. So, yeah, just a normal gold chain with the leather going through it. Yeah, that's what we like. So I don't really see why I should spend £810 on an AirPods case that looks like this. Many people bought it last time, and I think they've started selling them off because they said Instagram or YouTube made them buy it. So guys, that's it basically. That's just all I have to share. I really don't like many of these bags, as you can see. Please let me know below if you are going to be buying any of them, if you found them interesting, if you find you might like colorful bags. So yeah, that's why I've got a bit of color on today, to try and match the video, you know. So anyway, let's just keep the conversation going below, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is not in any way to discourage you from buying it. If you're planning to buy it, you like it, we all have tastes, different tastes. My daughter doesn't like what I like. So if I like something, I know she's not going to like it. If she likes it, I know I'm not going to like it. We rarely like the same type of things, apart from bags anyway. We all have our tastes. We all have different tastes, you know, so in clothes. But for me, these bags look really strange for a brand like Chanel. I don't know why they came out with this. As I said before, maybe they want to have a group of bags for the people that can afford to buy, that want to buy cheaper stuff. And then the flaps, the classic flaps and the jumbos and the mini flaps, those ones are out of reach. You cannot get them. Even if you look for them in store, they are so hard to come by. Even if you get a sales associate, unless you have a relationship with them, they're really hard to come by. And even that mini one I talked about, it's really hard to come by. So yeah. So anyway, guys, I just think there's something, they have an ace up their sleeve. I think they might be opening a different, there are going to be two grades of Chanel. The ones for people who want to buy cheaper stuff and just want the logo, not minding how the bag looks, even if it looks like something you can pick up from any of these cheaper brands. But they still want to keep Chanel on it. And then also the normal bags that people like to buy and carry, which for me, those are the ones that I would go for. But on the vintage, because no, I can't put £5,000 down on a bag. If you haven't seen my vintage video about the bag I got last year, I'll insert it in the description box for you to have a look at, and I'll insert some other similar bags that you can also click on. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye, guys.
Going in circles, I'm trying to fight it. Getting these voices inside to stay quiet. Gone to the place